What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. For those of you who don't know, I'm Tyler, and on this channel I make automotive content. For the last few months I've been building the first Karma Cayman in Northern America, the second in the entire world. If you guys have not seen any of these build videos, go ahead and click in this right hand corner. I will get this right out of the way. What is today's video? Well, first and foremost, there has not been more progress on the Karma Cayman, unfortunately. I'll explain that in a little bit. But the biggest thing that I want to announce is this Sunday, October 3rd, I will be at Big SoCal Euro with the Cayman. Will it be done? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It will not. Actually, this is something really I didn't want to do. But after a lot of consideration, after talking to a few people, more specifically my buddy Steven, you guys may know him as Typical Steven. I'll put his stuff. His car is great and amazing. He's building a few projects. And Big SoCal Euro themselves told me to just bring whatever it is that I have. I have not been to any shows with the Cayman. I've actually missed every single thing that I was supposed to go to, including SEMA. This car was supposed to go to SEMA. Unfortunately, it's not. They're just everything that happened and all the delays that happened, this car is not even close, not gonna be ready. So I'm gonna bring the car. Hopefully people can see it, get excited about the build and be interested in the progress. And some of you guys will be able to come out and actually see the car in person. I know it won't be done, but it's still cool to see. Why did I not have progress on the Karma Cayman? It was the Acura Long Beach Grand Prix. They have F Formula Drift. They had all the IMSA racing, all the fun stuff. I was out there for the weekend. I actually had pit and paddock passes. I got to do all this fun special stuff, which was very exciting. And actually I just wanted to take some time for myself just to enjoy doing that whole event. It was super fun. Stop being a crazy boy. Chill for a couple seconds, okay? Do you want to say hi? Mocha wants to say hi. He will not leave me alone. Yes, you're cute, little puggy, but you can be annoying. I'm trying to film this video, okay? Okay, I'll play with you when I'm done, okay? Cool. Now the next thing, and probably most important thing, there are some parts that we've had on order for a little over a month, and unfortunately they still have not shown up. Hopefully they show up this week. I'm actually gonna take Friday off this week, and I'm gonna dedicate all Friday, all Saturday to work on the car and get it into a drivable state. This weekend, I'm gonna try and solicit some help, and hopefully we can make some progress and actually have something decent, or not decent, something cool to look at the show, and hopefully we see some of you guys. With that being said, this video actually serves a purpose, as there's no video this week, but it is a video. I'm sorry, it is what it is. I'm trying to be consistent and make videos for you guys. Even when I can't make a video, I'll make an update video for you guys like this. I don't know if you guys would like to see this. If this is something that you guys actually appreciate, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I've definitely been appreciating all the love and support that you guys have been, you know, giving me out recently. And all the support with making new videos every single Tuesday. It's been a ton of work for me to keep up with everything. And so, like I said, every like, every view, every subscriber, I appreciate everything that you guys are doing. If you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing. Trying to make 100,000 subscribers. Hopefully soon. I think at the end of this build, I think this build is gonna be pretty unique, and I hope people through the rest of this journey with this build, it starts to catch on a little bit, because we are putting in work and I have some big plans for this car that I think are going to be very unique and very cool for you guys to watch. With that being said, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys caught the little Easter egg in this video. If not, you'll have to wait and find out. Maybe replay it, rewatch it, see if you can catch on and see what I'm talking about. But that's going to be it, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. See you guys at the show. Peace. We're out of here. For those of you who stayed to the end, let me zoom in over here. Nice.